Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm just going to hop right into it. My nails are already prepped and ready, so I'm just going in with the paint. I am creating the new trend that you guys probably seen all over Instagram, which is the French tip with the polka dots, and then there's like a yellow, and there's polka dots on it. And yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just starting off putting the pinks on. Then I'm going to go in with the yellow, and then I'm going to go in with the pink that's a little bit darker. These light pinks that I'm putting on first are actually going to be the French tip nails. This video, I'm not going to be doing too much talking. I'm pretty much just going to let everything play out. And I'll be popping in like in between each step as usual, but not much talking today. Alright, those are at the dryer, and now I'm going to do the French tip on 3 of them, and then the other 2 are just going to be the solid colors. Alright, that hand is done. I'm just going to go in and do the next hand, and off camera I buffed everything down so everything is smooth, and I removed the French tip guides, and now I'm just going in with a top coat before I start putting the dots on. Alright, now I'm going in with my dotting tool and I'm just going to dot the nails up. On the picture, it kind of started off big and then like went smaller, but mine are kind of random. I just did what I wanted to do, and as you can see, some of them got too big, so I just wiped them off. And I'm just going to continue to do that on the other 9 nails. And the colors that I'm using are the colors that are in the set. So whatever the contrasting color is, I'm using that on top. And this one, I'm actually doing an ombre, 2 pinks, and a white. And I'm going to also do that on the other hand on the contrasting finger. Alright, and now my set is complete. This is the finished product. I actually love them so much. And they can be found on my website, katoribeautycontact, under Polka. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye.